I know that there's many of you out there that want to make money online but don't know where exactly to start. But don't worry, I've got you. I've created this amazing system for you in this video for you to literally copy and paste and make $2 every single 60 seconds. You can do this again and again. We're not going to be selling anything. It's completely free and we can do this any country in the world. All you need is a mobile phone or your PC and an internet connection, and you have your very own online business that'll make you $2 every 60 seconds. But fellow entrepreneurs, before we get into this video, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate your support on this channel. And I also just wanted to say I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway in this video. Also, at the end of this video, after the announcement, I'm going to be announcing another giveaway in today's video. So make sure to watch this one until the end. You really don't want to miss this. And also go and subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset Plus channel with the bell on. That's this channel down below, so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. Also, don't forget to go and subscribe to my main channel down below. I'm going to be uploading there in 5 minutes, doing another giveaway on this channel as well. So I'm running both channels every single day, doing tons of course giveaways, money giveaways, and free content for you guys to learn and develop your own high income skills. And guys, there's going to be one specific website that is going to be paying us $2 every 60 seconds today. Let's go. So this website over here, make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this in a bit. Will only work if you leave a like on this video and comment down below that you're ready. I will pick a random comment in tomorrow's video for another $20 giveaway. So make sure to go and do that quickly. But without further ado, that you've now done that, we're going to continue. And this is a website where you can add all of your social media accounts, some others as well, post all of your updates and posts without ever running out of limits, content ideas, and without actually posting that content yourself. This tool is an entire social media management tool that will automate your social media pages for you, and you can make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and fine-tune your social media strategies to grow your online business, to promote whatever product you're promoting, and also you can download and share presentable and social media reports to look back upon and see what you can improve on. You can also message people off your social media accounts directly, reply to your comments, messages, post multiple Facebook pages at the same time in real time with this tool. You can also collaborate with teams and manage clients. So you can use the workflows option to collaborate with teams better, review and approve all content before it's posted, invite clients to connect accounts, and share reports through white label emails. You can discover and publish content with curated content, RSS feed, automation, and bulk upload, meaning you can post 30 posts to this tool and set it to post one post every single day to your Facebook page or your Instagram page, completely automating that for you without ever actually having to log onto that page, post manually, type out every caption. A lot of people are looking for a tool like this because they want to save time. They want to learn how to grow their businesses while using less time. So this is the perfect tool over here. So you can see over here, this tool is perfect for small businesses and professionals, full marketing agency and teams, enterprises, and individuals as well. But we're not actually going to purchase this tool ourselves. I'm going to show you exactly how to make $2 every 60 seconds with this. All you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom. You can also go and download some free ebooks over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to show this website just in a bit. But you want to come over to this link over here that says Affiliate Program. Click on that. It's going to take you to a page like this, and you can earn 30% every single month for the rest of your life passively for each and every person that you refer. How does it work? When you join our affiliate program, we will provide you with a variety of banners and links for use on your website and promote on social media. When a visitor clicks on one of these links, they will reach to our website. Our affiliate tool will track the activity, and you will earn a commission based on their subscription. So I'm pretty sure this is all what you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you exactly how much you're going to make with this. So let me take my calculator out over here, and let's go 129 times 30%. That is $38.70 you are going to earn every single month. Wait until the end of this. I'm going to show you a strategy how you can get signups every single day to the point where you can get little commissions every couple of seconds. It's $2 every 60 seconds. Let's take the $99 package over here. So we're going to go 99 multiplied by 30%. That's now $27. Okay, just put 900. That's now $27 that you'll be earning every single month for the rest of your life from just one referral. It is crazy how passive income truly exists off this website. You can also get a cheap 50-month package that you can promote to people that are maybe on a tighter budget. So this program really caters for everybody. They've got a cheaper 50 program and they've got a more expensive 129 program for those that have a bit more money to spend. In order to get started and make this $2 every single 60 seconds, you need to click on the Get Started button over here and it will take you to the affiliate sign up page over here. So just enter this information over here and click on sign up. Over here you can see the brand new account that I have just created. This is exactly what it will look like for you. All you need to do is scroll down. Most importantly, you can see your unique affiliate link over here. This is the link where you will get 30% commissions every single month for someone you refer through this link. So make sure to keep this safe, copy this and keep this in a safe place. Copy your link and you will want to come over to this next platform called bit.ly.com where we can go and shorten our URL. Right click, paste, click on shorten over here and it will create you a unique short URL like this where you can track every single click and all the analytics for this link, which looks a lot neater than that of your long URL. This makes it look more clickable and will increase your click-through rate. The next step is you're going to come over to gmail.com over here. You're going to click on compose and you want to type out the following message. And all you got to do is copy and paste this message. I'll leave a link down below in the description for you guys. All I would appreciate is if you could leave a like and comment down below that you're ready, and you can get this download link in the description of this video. The script goes as follows. Hello there. Nowadays, marketing of yourself on social media requires you to be active 24/7. I myself had to deal with a lot of posting, content creation, and so on, but Socialpilot helped out a lot. It helps you to manage your social media tasks and reduces the time you have to spend to literally 30 minutes a day. Socialpilot is your all-in-one social media management tool that helps you with scheduling posts, generating advanced analytics, and managing social conversations. And you get it all for an affordable price. If you want to cut down on your social media time, then this is your opportunity. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial right here. You just want to replace your affiliate link over here. Cheers, and you want to replace your name with your full name. The next step, make sure to follow this one. It is very important. Come over to Google and search the following: social media marketing, and put your local country. I stay in South Africa, so I'm putting South Africa as my country. Over here, we can go over to this first company over here. We can come over to this company over here. We can come over to social media marketing in South Africa. And we want to come over to the contact page of all of these websites. Over here, you can see is the get in touch with us. If I scroll down, you can see the inquiries page over here, and you can actually message the CEO as well. All you want to do is copy the info line, come back to your Gmail, put that as your recipients, come back to this second company over here, click on contact us. Over here is their email, right click, copy, come back to Gmail, paste it as a recipient, and again you can come over to this third company over here, click on contact us, scroll down, copy their email inquiry over here, come back to Gmail and paste their email as well. You want to send this message to all of these businesses as possible. You can also come over to clutch.co, which is a database where you can find firms all over the world. Search over here, social media, click on enter, and over here you want to click on top social media marketing companies. So yeah, you can see the script is done for you, and I've got a whole bunch of emails ready to send this script to all of these social media marketing companies around the world. And remember, these are full-on companies that obviously have revenue already as they're profitable businesses and ready to invest into a social media management tool like this. And if you guys want to learn how to create your own corporate social media agencies just like this and run a full-time corporate and business from home, just like these guys over here, just like these guys over here, and just like these guys over here, they all are their own online businesses. Come over to this website over here. I have just created an entire 6-figure drop servicing university program that teaches you how to take your online business from 0 to 6 figures in your first year. My top online agency store made over $200,000 profit in 2020 alone. This course is basically having me next to you the entire way, showing you each and every step how to create your own online landing pages, your checkout pages, how to get paid, how to connect your PayPal and all the other payment gateways, how to promote that with tons of free bonus traffic methods, and my winning Google Ads combination formula. So you can go over to the first link in the description to go and check out the 7-minute free training video over here that shows you exactly what's in this program and exactly how you can benefit from this. If you scroll down the page, you will see tons of results from students that are taking my program, and you can also come down over here to check out what is in this course exactly, each and every module. You can also add this to carts over here and make sure to use this coupon over here to get over 80% off the first week. This is only lasting for a week to celebrate the launch of this program. But that's it for today's video, guys. I'm quickly going to announce the winner of the $20 PayPal giveaway. This person on the screen is the winner. Well done to you. Please comment down below on the pinned comments, reply to it so that I can reach out to you and verify that this is your channel so that I can send you your PayPal money or Bitcoin if you don't have PayPal. And if you want to win $20 again, all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel with the notification bell on, share this video, comment down below that you've done everything. In tomorrow's video, I will pop up the winner on the screen again and announce another $20 giveaway. But without further ado, guys, make sure to have that bell on, as tomorrow's video is really going to be a banger and you don't want to miss it. Keep well, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.